Okay, Jackie and Anil, they didn't start as friends. They became friends later on. If I remember, their first film together, which was Andar Bahar, there was some problem on the billing because Jackie felt that he was senior to Anil Kapoor, though Anil Kapoor assumed that being a, more acclaimed actor, was considered a good actor, so he deserved to be built above Jackie. But Jackie didn't agree to that. Eventually, it was resolved by Jackie getting the higher billing by virtue of his seniority. But thereafter, they did quite a few films together. They're very good films like Ram Lakhan and quite a few other films like that. So they gradually became good friends and they had a good working relationship as well.
So something about his on-screen chemistry with Madhuri Dixit. They were one of the best couples of Indian cinema.
Yeah, Anil Kapoor made a good team with Madhuri Dixit because they worked together because they came together. The first film, one of the earliest films like Tezab, did extremely well with the two of them together. That led to them being cast together in quite a few films. And there was a common secretary for both of them, which is Rakesh Nath. So that also helped in a way, But after a while, Anil Kapoor's business was taken over by Boni Kapoor and Rakesh Nath concentrated on Madhuri Dixit. But they gave a number of hits together, yeah, because they vibed well, and since they had started working together quite early in their careers, it helped because they grew together.
So Anil Kapoor keeps coming back. Like you said, Tezab was one of his big hits. He has seen so many bad patches.
Yeah,
Then there came time where Khan's totally took over the industry, and then finally he reinvented himself with Tar and started doing character roles.
yeah,
And now he's also working as a producer. And recently he did this movie called Slumdog Millionaire, and he's like all over the place. So what do you have to say about that?
like I said, Anil Kapoor is a very innovative person because he's not going to give up easily. When he realized that a new breed of actors have come over, and then they are going to, dominate the scene, he quickly understood the ground realities, and then cast himself as a character actor in Tal. In fact, the Tal role was originally meant for Govinda. Govinda refused to do it because he said he won't play second fiddle to anyone. But Anil grabbed it and he proved himself as a good actor. So that kept him alive because they made special roles for him. They wrote special roles for him, or they had a clear-cut vision about what kind of a role will suit him. And then from there he went on to producing films. All this have lengthened his career. They kept him, on the run. Now, right now, Slumdog Millionaire, all these films of that kind, and before that he did that Gandhi film, and they kept him going, and then I think it'll sustain him for a while. So that's a very clever move on his part to have done that.
So what do you think about him? Yeah, like he keeps on reinventing himself.
Who?
Total and all, Anil Kapoor.
Yeah,
He keeps on reinventing himself. He's a good actor,
yeah.
good at comedy, good
Yeah.
at everything. So overall, how do you sum up Anil Kapoor?
See, Anil Kapoor is one of the highly ambitious actor who understood his limitations and he worked on his positives. He worked on his assets rather than brooding over the limitations and then trying to make a fool of himself. He didn't do that. On the other hand, he uh, saw his strengths and he worked on his strengths and became one of the most dependable actors on the Hindi screen. And because of that, he got some very good roles, and he is very disciplined in his working. And he is not like most other heroes who would, throw tantrums and create problems and things like that. So he had prolonged his career that way, and now as a character actor, he is doing extremely well. and I think he will soon concentrate more on production as well. I think his career is a remarkable example for anyone who wants to make it in films.